Hello and welcome to another video of VDS systems. I want to show you in this video how I solved the file extension problems on remote apps. I didn't find any good reading about it, just like a Microsoft hit with something to do with file association that automatically published and GPO and group policies. So what I did, I've set up a little test server. So a domain, I've got a domain controller, a RDS server with the installed roles. There is for now only the RDS web broker, a virtual host and session host. So no licensing for the moment. So I'm grazing on 180 days and there's no gateway also. So how to set up, there is enough videos, enough blogs about this, but basically is yes, install your roles and publish your apps, install your apps and publish your apps. Now what I did was to test it, I've managed to create a new certificate here and then apply to all the roles here, and then you should export it or save it and then import it in your files in your clients here. So keep in mind that you have to import it in the, let me show you very quickly. I did, so once you install PFX, sorry. I've used local machine, click next. It will ask for your administrator if you're logged in as a user. Oh, no, that's not correct, I think. Yes. Yeah, okay, so click next. You have a password if you put in one. And then I want to show you that you can't do it automatically. You should add it to trusted root certificate authorities. And click OK, next. So I already did that. The next thing I did was create a policy for the RDS feed. Now I'm tried to do it on a separate policy, but it didn't work. Maybe I didn't wait long enough, but I got it working with the default domain policy. So under user configuration policies, administrative templates, Windows components, remote desktop service, remote app and desktop connection, I put in my URL for the RDS web feed. So that was done also. Then when you publish your app, so already tried to publish some to test it. So let's try and publish another one. Let's do PowerPoint. I think that's still one I need to publish. It's not a very fast server because it's on my local laptop and I don't have enough memory for it. Okay, let's see PowerPoint. Let's see PowerPoint here. Click next and publish. Now, as you can see, that's it. There's nothing else in the wizard. So what you can do is go to Edit Properties, and then here File Association, and click the extensions you want to associate with, and click Apply or OK. I'm going to do Apply because I want to show you something else. Now, it didn't work when I did this the first time. What did work was, let me show you in a minute as this is finished. So if you go back to general here, and on the bottom here you have a field, you have a box here to fill in some remote app program folder. Now you don't have to do this, but for some reason I did it on Word and started working. I did it on Excel and started working. Access, I didn't do it, but I refreshed my app on the Windows 10 client and it started working. So I'm not sure why it started working. So what I did was add a folder here and click OK. It doesn't change anything on the client workstation. So the client workstation still sees the normal work resource folder, and it shows the standard apps. If you log in on the RD web, then you will see that folder which you created. But anyway, that way it started working for me. So I've published that, so let's go and do a manual refresh. Is it finished here? Yes. So no, let's go and let's go to remote app and desktop on your client. Oh. So, okay, I had to reboot and then the policy came back. But as you can see, there's only 3 programs and 0 desktops. So I published the other one. So what I gotta do is update now. If you wait long enough, it will come in the view. And now we have 5 instead of 3. So let's finish. Let's go back to all control panels. Now I already tested it with Word and Excel. Let me show you. So these are fine. Now I just published PowerPoint. So let's create a new file. Let's say call it, I don't care, but it should be PPT or PPS. I'm not sure. PPS exists too. Let's show PPS. PPS. Yes. Okay. So now it automatically shows the file extensions. Did I do the map? Yes, I did the map. So that's the way I got it working. Put it in a program folder and then the file extensions come through. After that you can remove the program folder again and it will work. Still work. So you can check it in the control panel. Go to default. Let's just put it on default programs here. Where is it? Here, sorry. And go to associated file type. Oh, that's on the wrong one, sorry. That's me, sorry. So default programs here, associated file type. I was wondering why it should started looking. It's the Windows 10 is a new interface here. So scroll down and then you have to choose this one. And then you can go back and scroll down to, let's say, the P. P. Yeah, here. POT is also one. PPS, let's see, yeah, PPS. So then it maps the file extensions, fine. So that's what I did. I changed the properties on my published app and I added a program folder, and that made it work. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have remarks and if you have the similar situation had and you solved it a different way, leave a comment. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you want to see more of my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.